PolyWood is a wood mimic filament made from 100% PLA. PolyWood has the same density and feel of real wood thanks to Polymaker's stabilized foaming technology. Stabilized foaming reduces the density of the material, giving it similar properties to real wood. PolyWood is primarily an aesthetic 3D printing material, which offers prints with a matte surface with open pores. This surface can hide the layer lines of your printed objects, refract light in unique ways, and can be post-processed in a number of ways to create interesting finishes on your printed parts. As with all Polymaker PLA filaments, PolyWood features jam-free technology. Nozzle jams with real wood filaments are very common as the wood particles are inconsistent in size and can stick to the inside of your nozzle. As PolyWood is 100% PLA, this issue is completely avoided, delivering a reliable, easy to print wood mimic filament that can be applied in a variety of applications where aesthetics are vital.